Hello and welcome to day 7 of the 7-day video marketing challenge. Today we're going to be talking about promoting our videos, and we're going to be starting with our snackable videos, of course. Those are the videos at the top of our funnel that we're going to be using to drive awareness, and then we're going to use those videos to then promote our video ad to the people that watched a bit of these videos. And we're going to show you how to set this up, starting with our snackable videos. So let's move right into Facebook. First thing we're going to do is go to our ad center right in the top menu here and start a new promotion. Now you have a bunch of different options here, and we'll use some of those a bit later, but for snackable videos, I'd recommend actually just boosting the post with your video on it. So give that a click and choose the post where you upload your video. This is one that I uploaded as a test a little bit ago. You can then choose what kind of results you'd like from this boost. So for this one, I'm going to go with getting more people to watch the video. Next, we're going to pick our audience to boost this post to. And this is where a lot of people get it wrong, where they just boost it to all people or people that like their page. What we're going to be doing here is boosting it specifically to people that live near our business. Clicking on this lets you name your audience, choose your gender, what age ranges, what specific location, and this you can enter in your zip code, city, and surrounding areas to really boost your post to only people that live near your business. You can also go ahead and add any additional demographic information or interests or behaviors to your list if you want to hone it down. So for example, if I'm reaching small business owners in my neighborhood, I would target just people that are in that zip code where I live that are interested in small business topics. This will let you know if your audience is too narrow, too broad, or just right. And I find it to be a nice indicator. Once you're set with that, you can choose the duration and budget. Boosts are automatically set to go for 5 days at $1 a day. So you're looking at $5 for 5 days of boosting this particular video. This is so fantastic because it's so cheap, and as you create these snackable videos, you can easily throw $5 at them to see how they perform. You can run these for multiple videos, see how they do, or maybe run them against different audiences to see which ones and which videos perform better. From there, you can always go back in and reboost posts that did really well, or you can even change or do different versions of videos that outperformed others. The possibilities here are really endless and super exciting, and as you've seen, really easy to create. So we won't get into exact conversion tracking in this training, it's a bit out of scope, but we're going to go ahead and boost this post, and you are all set. Just boosting these snackable videos alone will do a great job of attracting an audience and getting people to comment, engage, or just like your page in general. So next, while these are running, and you can let these run for a couple days if you'd like, we're going to create an audience to capture people that have watched 3 seconds or more of our video. Now to do that, we're going to create a custom audience. We're going to do that within Facebook's Ad Manager. You can go to facebook.com/ad manager, and you should be redirected to a place to set that up if you haven't already. So once you're in Ad Manager, you go down to this All Tools area, and you'll find Audiences. And this is where we can create custom audiences to market our ad to. I'm going to go ahead and click on that Create a Custom Audience. And we have a number of sources we can create our audience with. We can use our own sources like our website or app activity, or we can use Facebook sources like videos or Facebook page engagements. We'll start with video just to show you what we're working with here. And we can choose what kind of engagement we'd like. So we can actually choose a specific video, and we have here someone who's watched at least 3 seconds of your video, someone who's viewed at least 10 seconds, people who watch certain percentages of your videos. So we can give this a name. And again, you can have this set up for a whole year. So people that have engaged with your snackable videos for 365 days, you can start building and growing this list and remarket your ads to them. And you can also select specific videos. In this case, I would select all my snackable videos, or you can create separate audiences for every video that you upload if you really want to get granular. Once you have your audience set up, hit Create Audience, and it'll start populating with people. Now, if your promotions are just starting to run, this might take a little bit to get enough people in your audience to remarket to. Now, you'll need at least 1,000 before you can start sending ads to people in these lists. So create as many audiences or custom audiences as you'd like, both on the video side and on the Facebook page side. As you see, if we choose Facebook page as our source, you can have everyone that engaged with your page in the last year. And we'll call them engagers. Nope, engaged audience. Go ahead and create that. And then once we have our custom audiences populated with people, we can then create our video ad to target just to these audiences. To do that, we'll go back to our ad center right from our Facebook page. We'll go to promote. And this time, instead of boosting a post, we're going to look at getting more website purchases. I'm going to go ahead and put in the website URL that I'll be sending people to. And from here, we can then choose one of our custom audiences from the list that we already created. Here we'll add the URL for the landing page that we'll be sending our visitors to, and then we'll choose the format for our ad. In this case, we'll be choosing a video, and you can select your video from your library or upload it right from here. Next, you can choose your ad's headline, text, and call to action. And then you can go ahead and review your ad. There we go. So in this case, then you can go and review your ad, set the duration, how many days you'd like it to run, and set your daily budget. So as you can see, the recommended budget is a bit more than our boosted posts, but we're only going to be targeting this ad to people that have actually engaged with or watched our videos for a certain amount of time. So we've really whittled down this audience quite a bit. So with this kind of promotion style, our boosted posts will generate more audience awareness, more people liking and engaging with our page and with our videos. People that scroll past our videos or just watch a few seconds and keep scrolling, they're not going to get added to our remarketing lists. But people that like or comment or watch a good percentage of our videos, they'll get added to a remarketing list and then see an ad for our offer specifically. As you can see, running this campaign and making changes at each stage of the funnel will only help increase your conversion rates at every single stage. And once you get the hang of testing and trying out new audiences, you can drive every lead at every stage of your funnel to the exact right next step. So next up, let's take a bird's eye view of what we've learned and what the next steps are.